So if you're looking for an easy to use and universally accessible phone mount for a bike, scooter, motorcycle, or really any tube type thing with a handlebar, well, you should check out the bike mount from lamicall. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and this is a short, not short product review, straight to the point and no fluff. This is the BM2 bike phone mount Armor series, and it basically has two pieces, the phone mount and the clamp for the handlebars. The phone mount feels very strong and has nice rubber grips inside to keep it from damaging your phone. You can easily expand it to put whatever phone size you want in there. This is really great because other ones that I've had in the past, well, you have to have a special case for that phone, and then if you upgrade to a different model, well, it just no longer fits. So this is way more universal. The clamp itself is great. It comes with extra rubber padding to, one, protect your handlebars from scratching, and for two, to clamp onto thinner bars. You put the clamp around your handlebar and you tighten it and lock it into place. You can easily adjust the angle that you want your phone to be, or you can set it to be vertical or horizontal depending on your needs. And there you have it, a solid phone mount, which makes it much easier when you need to use GPS maps or whatever to navigate your trip. And I took it through several massive bumps and it did not move whatsoever. This thing's great and it's gonna sit on my scooter all year round. And the best thing about it is you would expect something like this to be pretty expensive, but no, you could pick this thing up on Amazon for under 20 US dollars. And for my Aussie friends out there, it's shockingly close to that same price with next day shipping. But also check out their store as well because they have a lot of really cool and creative products at low prices. But I really wanted to share this bike mount with you in case you're looking for something like that. It's a great product, a great price, and I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching this short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.